Do not adjust your screen. Yes, this is real. And yes, the snow is happening. And we got the crazy dog out here getting her life together. Yeah. So yesterday was the first day of spring. Find out where, because it sure ain't in Delaware. Stupid nor'easter, they're calling it. It's actually not bad right now. What's wrong with her? Oh. Yeah, it's not bad right now. It was snowing really hard earlier. I went to work and was there for a whole 2 hours. Nobody showed up, so they're like sending everybody home. So it's a mess. We got a couple inches. They said we could get, what, 8 to 12 inches? So it's supposed to snow all day and night. It's a mess. Hi, babe.
Huh? Hey.
Hey. The dog's enjoying the snow. We need the shovel. She ain't been outside in a while. Well, she goes out back several times a day, but we haven't actually put her on the leash in a while. She hyper. She got to calm herself down. Joy. She don't know what to do with herself. Look at this. My boots aren't waterproof, so I put bags on them. My fancy snowshoes. My feet is dry. Yuck. So, what's the weather like where y'all at? Gotta be somebody else out there dealing with the same crap we are. If you're not, we hating on your sunny weather. And my hands are cold.
Look at this. How could you not like wintertime? Look how beautiful that looks. It's just the snow just on the tree.
It's cold.
It's the most amazing thing.
It's annoying.
It's like time for Christmas carols.
Alright, Ray.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking dinner. Okay? I'm making my famous fried chicken.
That was famous?
Yes, it's famous. Because I said so. I'm having some mint hot chocolate cocoa.
Oh, I don't want no mint.
Yes, you gotta have your
cocoa.
special seasonings. You know, your garlic powder. You need the soul seasoning, okay?
Who taught you how to fry chicken?
I taught myself how to fry chicken.
Nobody teaches themselves how to fry fried chicken and call it famous.
My daddy taught me.
Is chicken famous?
I don't know.
How yours famous?
Because I said it's famous. Because I cook it.
Somebody famous eat it?
Me. And you. And my mustard that I put in it.
You put mustard in chicken?
Yes.
So what you gonna feed me tonight?
The same chicken I always feed you.
It's a trap.
And clearly you didn't watch my how to fry chicken video because you would know that I do it.
It's a trap.
Put that over here. I've been feeding this man fried chicken for the last 8 years. Now all of a sudden he don't want my chicken. Yes. 8. Your math off?
8 beautiful years.
That's what I thought.
You supposed not just 8 years, 8 wonderful years.
8 wonderful years. And in 8 wonderful years, I've been sprinkling a little mustard on your chicken.
That's what make it famous?
That's what makes it yumminess.
Mustard makes it yummy?
Mm-hmm. It's like those cooking videos we was watching earlier. Without the heat.
We watching the mustard fester on the chicken.
Snow day fun, right? What y'all doing today? It's hot. It's hot, hot, hot. I gotta let that cool off or I might burn my tongue. I did that several times. Yeah, I put an ice cube in it.
That's just crazy.
All done. Let's open some corn and string beans. And there's my chicken. Time to get our grub on. Can y'all see me? Hold on. It's still snowing. My crazy son put a challenge on his Instagram that if he got 60 votes from his friends or something, he would jump in the snow. Hold on. So now we outside in the dark while he find a spot to jump in the crazy snow. Hold on. Oh, it's so dark. Maybe I could turn my flashlight on. Hold on. Can y'all see it? Why? This crazy boy about to jump in the snow. He's a hot mess. Can y'all see? I'm gonna have to try to lighten this up somehow. He done took his shirt off. I need a better flash on my camera. What are you trying to do? Look at this. If you fall and we have to go to the hospital. I know. In the snow. Let me know when you're ready. Snow Challenge 2008. Make an angel. You should have flipped.
So I can break my neck?
You could land it on your feet. But now you cold.
I went to cuss with you on there.
Alright, you flipped in the snow. You might be able to get away with one cuss. What'd you say?
I do it again.
Alright, you flipped in the snow. You might be able to get away with one cuss. Alright, you flipped in the snow. You might be able to get away. He's crazy.
That's too cold.
That's it. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up because the crazy boy jumped in the snow and he deserves a like for that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and